Yeah.
Hell yeah.
What's going on? Cuss by Reggie, back with another video, right? And today, I'm up at the shop. It's Monday. Coming up here, straighten up some things. I get a few packages at the door, right? Including one of, you see I got my new Illusion schmuck on, right? But then I also got the new verified check cape from Illusion as well, right? If y'all been seeing everybody on Instagram, everybody got something to say about somebody buying a check, which who really cares, right? Anyway, so I did get my cape from Illusion, right? I also ordered some capes from Blessed Capes. I seen 360, Wavy Kid Kev, they popped up on my Instagram. So I was like, let's see which ones I want to grab from them. So I bought the blue one. Shout out to Blessed Capes. I do, cause on there you can't choose whether you want the buttons or hooks. I like buttons. I know a lot of people like the hooks. I like the buttons a little bit more. Blessed Capes. But also, the main reason of this video is this box here though, right? So shout out to Supreme. I don't wear hats, but they threw a hat in there. But I ordered their, not new clipper, but it's their new color of the Pro Clipper from Supreme Trimmer, right? Supreme Trimmer is the company, but it's not just trimmers, it's clipper stuff as well, right? So that is the color. The colors that they had before, I think they have a red, a black, and the silver, I believe, and the gold. But I seen that they had the pink, so I wanted to order the pink and see what it was about, right? The price of this, let me look it up real quick. So the price is $89.99. And the colors that they have, if y'all can see that, they have the gold, the red, the black, and the new one, which is the pink. The one that I had before is the red one. So it's a 22-piece set, 300 minute of runtime, LCD display, fade blade. Let's open it up, see what comes in this. They also sent some stickers too, but they somewhere around here. Same packaging, got the plastic wrap cling around it. Open that up, you can see, and this is the 22 pieces, right? So the guards, the cape, they also have a replacement lid in there, cleaning brushes, 2 combs, and a USB charger. Open up from the Pro Clipper end. That's how it look when it opens, all right? Comes with their single magnetic guards, which is cool. They're not bad. Durable, but not the most durable, right? Let me take that clipper out. Check that out here in a second. There's a card with the other colors on there. They do put in a cape for you, so that's cool. A lot of these, I don't want to say, the more budget-friendly clippers do, sometimes they include capes in there. They include more than some of the other clipper brands that you paying more for. So there is the different colors. So it's like a lighter pink or different pink or whatever. Screwdriver. There's a cleaning brush. 2 different styles of cleaning brush, whichever one you want to use for. I use these smaller brushes for my tapers, so that's cool. Got your clipper oil. They're gonna be out there cleaning off the pavement this morning. 2 different combs. This is it's a curved comb, but it is a blending comb. And of course you got the wall style comb in there as well. USB charger cable, and then the charging cable that hooks up to it. So, I mean, you get a bunch of accessories. They do say the 22 piece set, that's including a lot, you know, with them counting each guard as a piece, you know what I'm saying? So it does add up to, it looks good to say the 22 piece set, but it's just really clipper with some few, you know, smaller accessories. Their black fade blade on there, and that is the pink. I seen it, had to grab it. I have a black one and the red one, but I just had to grab it. And I don't know if you can buy different the plates separately, but you know, of course, if you have another one, if you want to just trade it, you can click lever. It's kind of stiff. Oh, that's stiff. But 1, 2, 3, 4 notches. That's the design. Not too much different than more closer to your wall clip or something like that. Very quiet. I've used this before. Of course, the other versions of it. I didn't know if they was gonna add something to it, but don't seem like it at all. But yeah. Then of course you can get the taper blade separately if you want to. 300 minutes of runtime. Fade blade, cordless or corded. That's the also, if y'all see that my beard is kind of darker, I'm also trying a new enhancement. We'll talk about the goat enhancement in another video as well. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to show what I got today. And a few things in the mail while I'm here on my off day technically. I like this too from Illusion. But anyway, there's the clipper. Y'all can go back. I'll put in the description the review of this clipper. It's pretty much the same clipper, just a different color. I get hyped and excited when I see stuff online, and I'm quick to buy. So yeah, $89.99 from Supreme Trimmer. Supreme Trimmer is the clipper company, and this is the Supreme Pro clipper. If you want to try it, give it a shot. I do not have a discount code for this, but it is a budget-friendly clipper, and it does get the job done, as far as I can remember. So, yeah. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all that good stuff. I don't think I said that at the beginning of the video, but you know what to do. Peace.